So, good morning. What's up guys? So, bali ito po yung day 14 po natin sa ating alagang cubs. So, bali nagpapainit sila kasi ayan, umulan. Ayan. Malamig kaya need nilang magpainit. So, ayan po yung day 14 po natin. Ayan. Day 14. So yun lamang guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.